How to set Only Me featured photo on Facebook Story Highlight 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your Facebook featured photos to Only Me so no one else can see them. If you want more privacy on your profile, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the Featured section where your story highlights are displayed. Here, tap and hold on the featured collection you want to edit, then select Edit Featured Collection. Once you're inside, look for the Privacy or Audience settings. Now change the audience to Only Me. This will make sure that no one else can view that featured story except you. If you want to create a new hidden featured photo, tap on New, add your story or image, and before saving, set the audience to Only Me. After that, tap on Save. And that's it. Your featured photo or story highlight is now completely private. Quick tip: always double-check your